Thinking about switching out your domain on HostGator but not sure where to start? Whether you're rebranding or just updating your setup, the process is simpler than most people think. And I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along with confidence. First, open any browser and go to host.gator.com. Once the site loads, head to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your email or username and your password. Then hit the login button to access your HostGator dashboard. Inside your account, you'll land on what's often called the HostGator home. From here, look for the section labeled Domains. That's where all the magic happens. Click it to open a list of every domain you currently own and manage. Take a quick glance at the layout so you know what you're looking at. You'll notice different management tools, but the one we need is called Custom Name Servers. Go ahead and click that option. This section is where you control what servers your domain points to, which is the key to swapping out or updating your domain. You should see fields where you can enter new name server information. Carefully type in the new name servers you want to use. Make sure the spelling and formatting are exact, because even one wrong character can break the connection. Once you're confident everything is accurate, apply or save the changes. That's the core of the process. Your domain settings have officially been updated. Now keep in mind, these changes don't take effect instantly across the internet. It may take some time for the update to fully propagate across servers. That delay is normal, so don't panic if you don't see immediate results. And that's it. You've just changed your domain on HostGator without the headache. If you ever get stuck or want to double check something, HostGator's support and knowledge base are great backup options. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, feel free to stick around for more quick and stress-free tutorials.